name is Priscila Monroy. I'm from El Salvador in Central America, and I studied the Master in Mechatronics Engineering. I studied 1 year in Spain in the Universidad de Oviedo and 1 year in the Hochschule Karlsruhe.
I'm Alberto. I come from Mexico and I'm about to graduate. I did my path 1 year in Spain and then 1 year in Germany.
I worked with Lufthansa Systems to develop the topic. It was in the conceptualization of implementing a digital twin in the aviation industry. Basically, we developed the concept of implementing a digital twin. A digital twin is like a virtual replica of a physical object. So we developed the idea of to analyze the benefits of implementing this tool in the operations like cargo operations, maintenance operations, and in general like in an airline operation system.
So we had 2 projects on the semester. The first project was to do a motor position and velocity control. And the second semester we did robotic design. We did the development of all the mechanics and contronics and electronics of a robot. And yeah, we developed like a small user interface so the robot could pick some objects and move them around in a grid.
I heard of the program online. I was doing research because I wanted to study a master's, and I found these scholarships that are provided by the European Union. So that's why I decided to apply.
I knew that there existed the Erasmus Mundus scholarships, and I have a friend who already graduated here. He recommended me specifically this master, and I liked it, so I decided to apply.
Inside the university, we developed a cocktail machine. Like it's a machine that makes different drinks, but really a small version of it. So it's like a version in which you can have your own home to make cocktails. So yeah, it was this machine that you control through via an application in your mobile. And yeah, you order drinks. And I worked with Israel, that it's a classmate, like a colleague from the same master program, and 2 other classmates from Germany.
We have different projects depending on the course. For the class we had with Balsa, we did a Staubsaugerroboter, a small like vacuum cleaner. And also we had a project with the Volocopter where we did like a system to measure the force, the lifting force of a drone. And in our class, I had a project where we balance a cube with a controller. So those were like the 3 main projects for that semester.
I think the main difference is that, for example, here in the Universidad de Oviedo, it was mainly really theoretical classes. We had just 1 project, but in the Hochschule Karlsruhe, we had a lot of projects, so it was like really practical, and we got to play around with all of the different components to build something. And we did it here too in the University of Oviedo, but it was just 1 project. Instead, in the other university, we had like multiple projects. So I think we got to learn from like both sides, like theoretical and practical. I think here in Gijon, you get like good Spanish music, and in Germany it's more like, I think it's more like techno and these kind of things. Yeah, that we're not so used to because we come from Latin America. We are used to like these Spanish songs, and I think that's the main difference. And for example, here, the parties start like at 11 p.m. and I think in Germany, like at 11, there's like, the party's almost ending, I think. So that's like a little bit of the difference.
They're nice. It's different. Each country has its own its own thing, but it's nice. I like it. Yeah, I think that Karlsruhe has a lot of student life, and the parties that are like for the students in the residence and so on. I like that type of party, and when you speak with people and so on. That was nice.